Mapira tek watie ki Honorable Okello Patrick Onguti mi aswa. Gien mo mi Okello we mecha. Poko diang ki chienne uchiaro mabe e komala mi Uganda. E Gulu district committee mau a ki office pa president o pa o Gulu district ma tek total nilo tela makono doggi po bedo ki la chienne ada o bodano ma chienne eno wor mabe. Ento kirika lok makuma te kabino wano food bene kichel kitungi chel ni balo bua i aswa county foti kameta nyim jim mogo matino tino chalo balalo masgo gi kingogi ni foti katime eni lok ma anamete a lok wan ki honorable udiku matin ento ma football chao honorable Acholi maka bichu mera
afoy mate afoy long time
anatie
afoy yele
yes mot jo matika neni One Luo TV
yes afoy won wak mautika nen way One Luo TV mana ye gen pamono ma wero won wak ma mewo coupe kwed way yamu weko ben wa wunyu ko mo ken mati boto wale ko kawa bion kitini kwan kare ugo chim mo ken kawa ngayu utwalwa messages wetno wa interacting kwe dupien watiki dano mo ken magiti Kampala magiti Masinde magiti twokpeny ma pat mano background be kwe dwa jui ka wano chero wadok pajo ka timuralis nyo karwata ki lwak matikuno eto no wan duju no tera ma pajo ana poe ma tek ana beri weekend gang ober ka hosting Archbishop me Gulu ober bot waka installing Paris Priest mewa manyen ma ober ma monya menen kirwara mo rojo kire ye ci wadugo wadonyo wati parliament
honorable abichako ki boko lok ma wiye pa bichara gen ma tek ka don wachero wadugo la chen amir bong nyang first time in parliament itika teach lok men tika waro nyim kira ke le moro penyi ko enjal kan chere gang kwan ma nyene no penyi tikini how are you jangling in the corridors of parliament
ingeyo ameta chakke long ne ti dar mo gi luon nyingi ni mwa la ten kauri e kau karwa ter ta ber yo de ken no la ko cha ko twi
pam
ki ngoge an lok me politics ne a cha ko chon a ber ka yele yana ber ki neno ma kau no ne aneno politics chalo bi a chara
kan de
no ko da lor bi a char ne eto no ti chalo gin ma pida jo kene way pinya ma goma banya anani kapa timu cibi ber raj pi an ki joma luko kora pien a beri kare ma aneno kit ma nyimu balle kwere manu fut anatiri kit ma tuku balle kere ki kar pa min bini kar pu borre ki aneno impact kit da guru wa kwere ci waka tamo ni to ba nen telo tigi twin koma ni ti kwera ma minu contribution men neno ni governance unyo dor lwak wor ma be kir bera nen Uganda na nen lwak ma mera abitiyo ma twero jomo ken bi neno kwani kenyu
ichi amir watong mere wiye ki neno chiek on your policy
yes so I was coming to that to penyu we ati si don karma ana don parliament pa beru tak to 12 da berga kwano mere rules of procedure of parliament constitution da kwano chon si don ya don pa yela o weko don ingeo en kita wajeni la tien ma ngeen wala ma do ri ije mulu pe yelo si wako peti kam ya tek moma ngeni kina ma ma kan tum no ando a check ma be
watamne de check ko pm beri parliament me berni dano gitike mok ni olokon ki chel nyokere mo nyu wang ma duong bene ma mono pigo neno en committees ma ini beri yeni en watamne iberu ki kare mi keto ni chi e bill mo ma no ngole o nyoy policy mo matika ngole Tetwale kumberi mimi loka chamchana temateke. It's everybody's conversation and contribution. Ngo mimi ate wano nge.
Ya madoke lokom chamchana anatie shadow minister local government. Atie bene la meba me standing committee me national economy. Wano neno chente kita gamente no kwere kita gamente karo kwere. Ki mir pa wakti kwena ki bena tie committee me agriculture ci donc ka unité shadow minister me local government unité la member me public account committee local government pen inti shadow minister chila wo wano bedo ki team mau a ki office pa local government ministers ario balam kini honorable balam kini ke honorable namere wa bedo kwedgi ka chel ki permanent secretary ki all the heads of department wa bedo ki la pen mapol lokum accountabilities lokum corruption ma paro ma dit kita gen waju kere surprisingly ni gen machalo technical people giberu ka kok bot gamente ni the system med decentralization make mioni petika tit mabe ti jimo kene emier ki lok wero leakages ti ma pol ma wero dano tiu ki goro pa system me weko service commission charging center bot dano ka mier tit kita ki waju kwere ino kay ini chere lok me district public account committee me district tie ma mier gu ngi je matiga time gu cho report gi mo pere bien joni anyway no one come big any time appointing again chi ngi ber chalo way mo ame Uganda en ma president team appointing auditor general ko nganga gi chi ngi ka ina ye team appointing ngat mone luko kurung luko la kirmo chao kene be puy wi yo tele wa ba be way la makchal ma mer ma ko chelo bir na be kaw nenu tay ni peti ma be bir ko yubo ka jie cher ma ko yeah so
no puy wi yo
ti do we ko tay mu gweni ni dan no penge ni in no chincha tay ni bale so that is the challenge ma wati kwere at local government the system flows ti technical people go men watam ki don wano ber ka pen mbalam kom gien ma integrativene lok wa ber tiene government ori ka kate kalweni kom corruption through sport supervision wo pen be en wa permanent secretary all this while are you really doing supervision pingo balam a ke kan chero wai Gulu district nyo wai district mo ne budaka chero pimu bridge no ne bridge enone meja mena yo ki dinyo on watiki RDC za ngwen magitiga supervising government project watiki public account committee met district eno gitie watiki auditors watiki giso watiki dano weng mamier gu lukko gin
structures are
in place dano begi choy gu pongo ko king ento ti pere wun machalo minister ki wun machalo ministry uberu kwene pi mwaka chok piara ngan ene ma systems egunitie ti dong balam go ber ka wa the challenges matie ada jemiti ma pol ma mera tema ma bo penyo mu keno wa go kari church chi obiti report enone machalo one committee watere parliament for discussion
honorable afoy matek that's a very clean elaborations gimo madaga chiel ma mera penyne kombeti one po neni chalo honorable no ken waneni in that capacity of a minister and shadow minister Maloy Lokom Gamente Mitedero on the standing side of the alternative government new position. Ngoma ini tikatimane mabe onyo wara ngoma ini mete kubi. Ki kit kupe ni chalo la tela, kit kupe ni chalo shadow minister, minena da Jimmy Mabeyo o chiarbane county mamegi onyo district chala swa ento adukine unen ekomdano machenju
Uganda. Atamo wa chakit man jomoti kanena wa yam kacheli in part ikarma wa donyi parliament don wa beru committee duerio togo dilu ka be chake the first 5 minutes no fu dana wen warm up berka testing jon bi tuka attacking jon tuko ni tikangiyo ne chi gen man na no and there is a lot we have all the structure pagamento tio and they are all disjointed. Now, in Kaibino, a district, department of health, Kaibino agriculture, they have their own issues. Kaibino road, you kitiki megi, Kaicher both political hate, they have their fights. One lotera madungwa bino at national level. How do we aggregate all this problem and try to harmonize work system work down on services? So gin marang chakoti me and last week my dog gang inger wata ki kaugi heads of department forming road committees achara wata ki wegi komi adek o duju chigo teta mai igio wen kokoge ikire tie lo kum chana ge mapeki chulo ononario lok mo kene mati bero en lo kum chana benetiano maki chulo gi benetiano muchar gi bene chalo mwaka ene wi kuma dek botwai Gulu district report man no gi bodgi paya ki chulo gi piduario mo wadon ene
wow
ento wani parliament no gi chulo wow office of president no gi chulo RDC gi no gi chulo. Now these are the people mami are supervising service delivery pin kwija ada jal ngata ke neo ke ter ne upok dek ke wa catering unit eni kong
ko ta
ko to a twin mon man no gi lei kin gi ma pia gu chari ba ka saving dano we ne no ka go o gi chungi dolo chinge o mod wulti ka da ka ti la tele go ri ko ngo police anti ga ri ga lo jondo bilu gi moy igi gi to ko dek ma kom gu pie in the same way ka wa weko do tela wa chalo jo makonyo oversight where we have the points of service delivery pegi no motivation they will get into problem now gin ma watimo ene dong ma ber ke de pingu teta pero ge wen amini gi gu kerai WhatsApp group ge pero ngai this is a structure material all over Uganda so gu kerai WhatsApp group ge where I keep in touch with my leaders from ground LC one foot para mo donyo pian pol gi tiu ki kabirti en wa go chim so amini gi lock with lock mo meru choke ma lak doke kom poñe ma doke kom governance board gi lo kom guru I sub county ni pian gende always having meetings ked gi ki bena ma ana cherne a bere district council meeting am ki koma wa win gina ngoma technocratic logone councillors logone to connect with them. Now I have this information. I'm still collecting more. Ma ngeni kadong ana bini parliament kumbete. Ma wano beri parliament. Iu diku duju mecha rio. I mean chawa boro. The first after the speaker umi remark mamere. Wachero on issues of national importance. Dano beru kamiyo maiden speeches gi dano wen koko gi roma chalo koko ma bot one. I was very surprised. Ni isingiro la wo waberu ka committee meeting me gene me local government koko tie mage wali ni singiro ene oloyo eto MP mako agi kungo way gini ki tuku chura ngan mo ni kwani chenta chulo eno ke cher gunu ki cher ki no singiro eno kama PDM balle yelo ko ngo balle yelo corruption eto mo agi tiku be na machet. Now I pick this information ne nationally ka winyu down loko match ka wonu ber ka following lokum gudu lokum kwan lokum geranga. I'm compiling all this information one machalo position we have this document in manma balam gila womi so you can client chatter you know kita gen tamune giram teacher in service improving service delivery man service delivery standard magu cho kanye Ministry of Local Government service delivery standard Ministry of Local Government. Kita gen tamu ni mergi team kere. Now one day nge choko pako eni dudu one position ben wakati ki alternative first ministerial position ki dong our alternative budget benetie but we are still improving it. Ma wa no kumbe mo wa lokone one of the proposal in the meeting la wo Namere and Balam came up with ni kita ginano kwere the problem on ground political leaders chalo MPs do not understand the magnitude of this problem. So gimiti parliament katwere kimi recess ki MPs o wen kong tabira Restocking kiruti mekere PDM ngo kaki duk jeni parliament ka lok pian dano meki ye chidongo donye parliament en ki lok mo no karba ye without proper research without data.
But which is justifiable because me a chill any waju kumbetini is actually an induction program. Mano miro district and you're taking over. Me la tela mo ke councillor at Rio at Dek at Chiel ikelu gikara Chiel e wache gi this operating standards standards make kar ko eni the service operation standard chalo eni inu mi so ngore te ka dak kamiyona idjwa achwa endo ke te kamiyona idjwa achwa ini do pitichi ga menteno miro keriye chiana mena ki inducting lotela gubet ki ngech ikit mi lwenye kum chamchana ikit mi doto chamchana ikit mi nene yo mabalam tika pimu ni gena go pimu ba foot picket here
exactly one no chair supervision
chi ka gen makoma eni picket timo beru pero meanwhile amir okay question ani we want to
la wo wano kero balam to task to tell us the plan lokom LCs makiyer ki councillors go chi kero billion atamo pierde ku yario me training LC1 makiyer ki manyane pian wa wayni dano long tika gamu fomo we chako dienu stam way kuma bare
which training is important
is important
den ma tika lore honorable Peter Tech wa mero foi bana ni inero ni gap ene mero kitimo mero kicho I talked to one of the ministers actually Balam was here a day before or 2 days ago kama obedi yeni ma wa kiberka bokolok in one of our platforms bukede 1 bukede 2
yes.
Ma we are also planning to have him come in the studios wa bed ka boko en loga chen metika wayne
I can join him.
Yeah, definitely. I can bring him on board.
Yeah.
Honorable Amit Nokong igam lok mo ma chiel ma no tie ma diet ma wun pour lorier. Lok ma wano kwede wano in your docket as the shadow minister for local government. Gulu district tiki chiene mo no miro cho kilo teach. Ento lo teach piki choyogi. Most of the people marketing local government operations, not only in Gulu district, are substantive. District production officer, acting. District veterinary officer, acting. Kuno district service commission, tiki chiene, mo mirukicho kilo teach. Kape kicho yolo teach, mwakachiel chiene mo ne madongi, kitiyo kedwaka wang board gamente. Gamento chwalo chiene cho kilo teach. Operational cost chene pa ma chene kono pa ngo salaries any tika beru huge budget ma mwaka budget district tika dwa kone. Why are district service commission failing to hire substantive people in these positions? And if this is a problem, can you in your docket as a minister for shadow minister investigate how many vacant positions are there in these government positions? That is 1. 2, districts mo beru ka dwa ko chene. Is it truly aligned? Ni logada ni chiana marketed wakane is coming in terms of human resource. And then Jomatino Charawane, why should we complain about unemployment when actually the jobs are there and yet you have not recruited people?
Inge part lokene ka gamu kichwechwi. Pian angeyo megina kilo tiang na di magudong gang la bonti. Quantity gien ma wa no we but we can lock na wo law both permanent sector and local government
Gwa ngwe lo
be ngwe yo openyo PS bien eno mi report ne by la wo ma ene logo ne uno dong staffing level at 8 quarter local government for example tie at 60 something %.
So we have about a deficit of about 43,
60,
45.
Yeah, it is about 60 to 70%. And at the local government countrywide, it was averaging below 50. Chidong wa penyo wa wachi now. Wun kimaro kany utima do chok pong. Piana wa ene mai don gap ti matut. Jo we kimaro kany utima chok pong. Eto joma miero gweo dilu me service delivery dogi knock supervisors timo pongo eno joma miero guti tiji berwe
Joma miero supervising pe.
What is the logic and the rationale?
And then whom are you supervising?
Who are you supervising? No wonder we have this problem. What when you ben en lokman acting? Bien in ka kerni acting ba ker wo ker in acting manager kan. Loko kene ka bioni e bor pera mo ko tami chot.
Exactly.
And this is the problem more tikere. Chalo bodwa ya watch. Watiki wapeki DHO. The whole district doesn't have a DHO. Jomo kwano magiti kara pet magirong DHO duata. Ero wapeke kere. Now, I be clearly to the point. Ne kai penyogi giwe ingeyo when we are doing recruitment there is a circular mo mier gitwal ki PS mier ritual. Gen gicho request circular ene biro ka dongo pian mier kinen the budget indicative figure
in figures material
me overhead ki ngoge gine rio pe biro aya kirma one no mo district service commission tam office pa joken tumo kwaran pere Tenero. Now, ki Kenyo, don't want to be on the PS. Why PS? What is the problem? Ya gikine chente itinyo kidwako chen peg recruiting down. What penyo gi? Eto la gamme go wachi wa chawa dong raji. Wa wek gi chet gi bet piny. Gibi choyo. It's a bit en mau chak ni tiario. Gubi dugu botwa. Ki written response in all this. But our worry, which I guess is also your worry, is this is a syndicate. Kitima kaka. Wek chente mau chete unen chalo chero. Ento yoko ko wala yoko duo chen dier kan. And no one is giving us proper accountability. Ikom chente mau ke ken magi dugi treasury. What percent? Vis-a-vis the revenue collected and what happened. Why is it recurrently chen tiru dugu? Especially for overheads. And yet service delivery poor.
Henry Permadit, Wabolobori,
What
Anna, I do a lot of my underground work. Maybe you can young Jim not catching but also
investigative journalism.
Many young ni what ticket tell a machala one call be on command me or watch you. PM down take a call, Pero Patich. Down take a call, Champa Jim Matieni. Eto Kachana Bino Chiluko Mata can tell you to go. At the when you during the Gulu district, no billion a day. No, I don't know billion a day. At a comchana earning, call teach pay, Lotela Malogo Ponga bet. Ento inge kan wala you a goodie gitika kokne mo chara gipe any tela marach ma wona miro lage anyway we ko kenyo horrible lokamaka lokabalo ka ber muruwa aboji dano chama fut pe bina wani carbon ke me wa vora ma ke magwe ye ni wono tika inciting dano piemo lo dani po tong yen po chat maka balalo miro awo Lokamaka, Pingo, Tima Tech to Chua. Kuna Chua is still the green belt of Acholi. Ke nero kama unoti yeni.
Ingeyo in Kalachan, actually watching la query, but the ran malalonyo, tiru karingumi. Fudumo, in tamne any my wamko. Tiru dearne, dear my winning guana ana perwacha, one guana and any one corner. Perma wati ye ene ana o mot perma achulo karoki yene pol tien wa makumriti wegi gang be le tien ma ke nyware ke kem eno ngudugo gang gu leyo gang ma pegu fonye mabe kit me dor gang kit me gwako gang wangi ni jimi weng berwe tukukat pick play Gimomo wa gwako pe ki kwanyo in magareo ma so wangombe watere karata o were nero jimi tika tiemene now government tiki obligation ni ka community monetie marginalize government kateki affirmative action me konyogi wekto wok ki kamaraj pien ka pe they get instinct. Now, local maka karma bino, one on the rate, keta charne kwere. You know, pian policy me wa maka tie, ma guiding. Yat ma mir in chak tone me wa mir bene district forest officer ko bino inspecting. Kide ngeo jimi ka dong order pe berwe gwe deal ma referee do kono.
Undo tem ki ko
yeah donc pangi keta dile do pangi keta be gwe tem ki mo ti chogo and that is where we came in ma don't realize ni referee don't pay lo maka wando biun ki radical approach and you yom ni ukonyo wa wero one machalo Uganda ki one machalo wak ma Acholi gameto kata ki executive order olu diu ento executive order chao kene I wonder anero pa president karme lockdown utiyu ma pea deda
genu
logo wangu time ento mwa eni anero karme giena watin ni kany chero Gulu tui Bilbao kenyo inge kaka mone lori tie ma kuchungo ma makaki yuero ki piny ki kelo kero dano wenge loke eno ko item luku kore in cherry basement putpo o kenyo mer eto loke ran makeri we chwalu lodge ye ngaru mo cherka luku kore pe Now, executive order matieni men kinen a more sustainable legal framework me managing chako bien chakol gini pay bi romo geno totale kay bi geno gimo ke ken umiermi alternative gametre po kilo gas gamel po kilo energy alternative uweko ko futika mete lo kama kwa maka
no eno na mero ina mero penyila pen pie mo tene no video mati ano ne mero video mo ma mon interjecting maka chigo ogu po idano go ma ko lori achiel wore ne no force division commander bushoboriti ano batika lokki dano waji maka donc o do te ko twal interjection mono berutie mi nyoto mere ni wati teach ento 3 years after executive order pick lo mabe donc honorable la bombi alternative one to ko onyo bene ngoma anytime tie as an alternative
kay na no kita down to scrambling kere pi maka
that shows the need is
the
there.
need is there kay na kita down to anywhere put it down be lipe kere ne that means the need is there but again alternative ma watika nan ma food paron preempting ene men no ne we have John Kichako committee on Chako mago were around actually sub-region to collect information. How best can we manage this charcoal burning? Because gamete any man wati any pa geno kilwen me Ukraine ka waramo no gas ka wa mo man me petrol wele do cher mal madong well transport do teko. It is ironically a bit over dreaming to say we shall have an alternative more sustainable.
Living
we are trying to work out a private member bill to see how we can, rephrase this. We can make instead probably uchakong poko yak ki geng wangomaka from natural trees. We focus on wangomaka on planted trees, but also regulated. My no certificate kay bill la wangomaka. Pe en man indong
otika neno yo alternative mi carbon trade kira ke wayne e pet yen ka dong yeno don ma dong yamane ma be bieno ke chuli pi yen ni en yen en bene keno ke chiel no mi repet yen ma don yot chi ito mogo mi chero ka tedu ke ngogene
exactly okay. That's a good one. What we are looking at
now in a very committee mi agriculture i beru lokum fu productions ke ngogene ma bene waneno and is very important donc itamane mamana omera kijo wa magitigange magitika chato yenno ni mulalo mono bino ke ngom kan welo ngawa yen tie wa ke ngom ka don pepe welo ngom wil yen ginge ne yen erne ka ke ton diri kelo aduki marach ikabero magamo romuge
dano fortunately for now kai nano kita koro chue kere ki discussion e platform part way local radio way ken gang ke chero dano tika ngaru ko an ko ne bedong tian tawa na guniango ni wano to gi wayat tin do ne wateru la ful wala ful bedong kot pechwe ko wateru lokka ko watimu yango jimi dum petikati so kombe de dan do guniango ne pero tika bino lokum environment ma katiki lok peto yar bertel fakta ma pira tek wa tin wano tiketa wati kwerni pe anaken it was a one major factor donc tika ko o konya wani this is now government to come in. Owego machalo committee ma agriculture wano tamni lok me peto yat mior berikin jema government o keto very firm. For example, in my wild thinking, ma paya ino PDM ko nyut watian yar di maito. Ma paya ino restocking ke nyut watian yar di maito. My pero. Ma paya ini wa maka ko nyuti wa certificate nyo twer ki bot LC1 eno we konai winyo we performance standard ki chain mambiro ko kwere ni ko telo ngeyo in LC1 ke neno yurtiga dun cheri pen warga ki boranga community ki tie ki joma ki environmental committees but they are non-functional ki training joni ene geno konywa we ko pet yat wa dwok chen yat be konywa ikelo chente kinwa be yubu environment mo kene bene yat chang ko wa nim gi koronga gi ono en na dunu gi hat gi en konyo me gengo cancer
Wafua matek wateka loki Honorable Okello Patrick Onguti miaswa ma wateka boko lok kit metika munyine kwe la wo Sharifa ibedo ka wo mai go chima chunyi tika chwe matek to twale loka makar mega chel bano go chim kiboyale matika mio tamma mege kumbeni abe yabo line Honorable metek loke in bene bet ke kare mi gone wa chim kono wa munye duani 745292 Jero aboro ario Pierre ngwen wea Pierre ber wea ngwen Pierre bichu ario Pierre bongwen wea ario kono ipenyu Honorable ilok ma en tika wachane kany onyogi mo ken me tamani perete ko chora Frankwell ki ya watch man ini chawa mamegu Honorable T studio Honorable amero mete ki penyi kono wote koro chim ka bene nero o don ngeyo neni dan tika waru koko ma pat ki waru koko dano mirunge ni chiek at a local level benetie onyo chiek bene ma pat ke presidential executive order chiek bene ma chon gere mano gwa ka ber muruma bene tie gingeyo ke je pigingeyo ka pigingeyo ngamer go nge ikom chiek iket me gwa ka ber muruma wa
lawo ka choke ma obere yeki local government chawa yo ngolo jima polu kata ma pia dore lokum sensitization ma dan petigi ngej ma tut iket lokum environment ki chiek ma tie dan tam mene kan ka tongo yata no yata kwarna mega itimu ye ngo lok ma environment beru charo kwaro chet ka wa beru kan ka ana balu yam kombere yes yam ni ti iya o karo gira bene exit en lo ba yo wachon eto it will affect you surrounding area mo radius mon so check pe ye wa wachon ka yue ken dan wa latini they war so in the same way simple understanding the community local environment be check ma door wa chon no dong tie gamento biendo mera in the modern times kia la matie but kita wachi kwerene kita wa ker ki kam wa doko kere wege gang ma po ngeo gang nga gi mu yubo wa char ngomo ko ma po ngeo nga go ma ngom enone wa char wa ton yar ma po ngeo gale gi pero ni ning we ko wa o kam wati wang wa dong tiga yape ingeo ber charo lanyo kape ini ngeo kita rwere ti kwere charo ki rwere kwere wa to gu charo ki jimgi man ngom long dano char jo keneti center gi ber gi nywa now lok ma walo ukati ma ber ka temo penyo local government minister eno waje wani kita gi neno kere me chel gi temo kato ki lok me ordinance me mato kon cha mato kon eni chere ber kin group ma maro la choi chigo waje ni la dit balam ko you go slow ya kon wa nyam lok kin wa
Joseph chwale wa video ni kon
we kon you go slow one we kon wa nyam lok ko cha me mato kon kin wa en beni wor kamo kene cher way ba mo kene dano jole gumore way loka kone pe loka raj en to gitamani meno
tu opera tu
gerata ci en ma chalo local government minister team consultation ki technical people gitiki neno ni meno lok gi kwan ki dwoka district local council
okay
lu Gulu district team consultation ki council gi wunjo pu kon wunjo pa bona wunjo pa laro cancel team consultation
umok cha we ma
umok cha me mu tamni mate ento making sure ni ching cha bet ki ching abichel dan chak mat kiri cha pare obeyed more of an ordinance in the same way one tamni some of these things ma unu watika nano ge charo lokom ka
maro pa bala me no
yo nano gitika na team consultation so one time consultation any be pian policy ka ini be kelo ba work enforcement be diore no mero favoring down
manyut ini ba Honorable genetika wajana ni chiek mero a malupe kitampa dano pian dano ene magedwongi ene bene ge mo ngomo no mero be
hallelujah
ene yo we ni in kumbedi Furiria duga la wo me duga Gulu because you spend most of your time at a grassroots level many young pen check me achwa me Gulu ni tikwe tinga watim kini ka wundi ko karo ke blanket ideas ni ko mi robet pe dana bu kweru ti don weko penyo wachini ngo ma wu tika timone onyo ngo ma in tika timone chala tela me nene warkin in kilo tela mo kana mi te dero ki joma ti te dero tika wod mabe we bene ji magen gi timi ko gi macheng juini po di you give me limb. Income generation should not be squeezed because of flimsy activities. What my bear, where ka initi my bear, ngarmono ben my bear, dirike bono betie, iket me gwako lim, kibere beru kichene. No, motika timene.
Gen ma watamo, kita na wajo kwere, ami opportunity ma chiel bot lotela. A level me LC3. Go consulting ki councillors, me choko the grievances, ki lok matie in all the sector. Go mi bora. Wano benani o miero local government, go mi wa what they call the public account committee local government, me district. Report on service delivery. We have a bit report on service delivery from the side of government. Ki pero magino, yeah. Ki wagam ki koro mati bot councillors. Ki don't watch yet for what we call community dialogue. Owero balam ki kachwaka ma obere la wone wabichwala before the floor of parliament. To suggest ne parliament ko chwal dana recess. Well ngara chela ko dore bese. To do consultation. Akwan public account committee me district manyuru kita service delivery woro kere report gi mo karange ki anen ko mati bot lutela ti don wa cher community achela chen ni government waju kuman
Wano
mo lutela waju kuman wun ko waju ni ngo ti luak dong cha ko mi megi then waneno pa dis no woro ba en kilo tij me district no woro ki RDC gi no woro ki councillors ti don waneno kama the converging point. That would be the message ma anda tiyu adugu kere parliament. A chair the cabinet pal opposition wa yubu dog lock wa bienu dong on the floor of parliament. Kadano dong nyamu lock.
Hello, Patrick.
Yes, before Sharifa, what team obey chini?
Ati mo presenter wenka ati the producer.
Honorable Okello Patrick Onguti, T studio.
Yes, aneno ana foyo one.
Afoya.
Then no penya chikite ne kada ojo moto makao dong go we ko bere jo afu na po wa pene do ko no ko chakle chiam chu pio. Then la penya ticket dong go chako gere mi makao bor jo magena jo madong go loading makao dong. Ka dong dia ma en kilar makan che dong dana to ye anga mo buchur kuone. Ki bu bere fo ha dong ke dong de makao matwara. Ki jo makar gi pe dong mi wilo kasi. Du ko ne ni. Ke me to ngene wang dong me te ri kan ke dong de to makao do. Afo mata.
Honorable Loka Sharifa tak kimitiana.
Yes, afo matek la mera.
Mede kon kiloke.
Yes. Yeah, so wano tamne kawa kwanyo loki bot luak. En wachala en lok mala mer tika lokonene. We look at the executive order. Wanero ngoma lutera tika wani kita lok makati wa winyu lok ki bot jomato maka. Chi wakati ki dwan wa dugu kere parliament. Pen tit me parliament pene wano mok tamwa. Mirwa kwan en kuri neno pa jomo kene kogi matini. Then we come to a win-win situation. Pien kau doko.
Piem kumberi ko ma dit honorable. Ote wa ipo tong yen obo min wa gas. Ka obo min wa gas obo dwa wele. Wel ma ti matek ke be dwa wel ma. Ene don wonu o chero chako ko dwa ne.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ene gina wa mertim na eno. Ma bene pera watieni. It has taken so long. Because this Kenyan executive order ne uchako teach way 2025. Ko wati 2026. Wati 2020 don't wa chero chako way 2027.
Lemon wa
Luak kar eno dano chamongo.
Lemon wa it has gone to slumber or neno no ma.
Neno. So apparently look anyway bieno pian sometimes miri pagamento mo no tie kamo.
Line titulo gon wachim honorable tie kan pidaka pa moni matieni. Iramo chwa la penma megi ken ma Sharifa goyo kwedeni onyo iramo chwa lo message gumara atika bino lock enachiel any shadow minister mamegwa local government no miro dako kaneno program pagamente mite dero ki doro ki ning o woro ki ning o nyobu tum ki ning line titulo gon wachim kunai go chim a woti penyo honorable lokachel honorable lokamaka tika karo ke mege
yes kare ka lokamaka karo ka kon ko meguni
gambira ko
ngeyo executive order no wajone commercial chako ma commercial en mane baba chele in pero luone commercial
como mun ngar man kay
ayo
yes hello One TV hello yes what you looking at kwe Hello, One World TV. Well, kebi gon wachim dire chen king at TV ni where bet ki kare mi lokwedwa commercial chako banners ngata charo be chena cheli MPT commercial.
Not commercial. Pero mo ken ma wano no ena ye ni executive order karo ento chika inichwalo wako miri dano. Ni kake waji commercial chakol busy tera ni ngo ngata ki fonyo pege ki cherma griye moñ inde tut ki baba chele ni do itere.
Yes, hello, One World TV. Acho mo be cho ni
Mota impire no.
mane ni
Jara.
kia watch
Ngini chandeng mo na mati grupo kwe.
Ogamo.
Apoyo.
Ine no papa loka maka ke ngene ter. Pian mi achila de sama wa ke ngi ken maka karo ke. Ipai bona ya wal iyar ya mo ke luona ko ke twaro mo ko mo ke ber se ja bara lo ba. Bat lu la ke ni jwi ke wai mo mon. Jere mi ka maka ke ja ter mi ni gali wa pa ke ka maka ke ja ter. Yo nanti kita tengok mereka kan makan jui, mana dia kecil buating makan kecap apa tapi jui, gue bilang aku tengok tak keluar ke situ.
Wow, cina ukonya MP gini.
MP tegi ke rumah tegi mau tak ada orang yang cari wajib so sekarang makan dia, kita cuma makan yo.
Ucara lock time ni, ucara lock time ni, wabir wamar kau ke dukan ni orang wadia kau kuat curi.
MP orang cari ner kan masuk sekarang makan ke wang ini, kita orang cuma makan mau biar jadi ni makan ke wang ke car, ini makan ke, kita cari apa pun no kiri wang makan pun.
Yeah, sure.
Pak mere, no rebuilding charge. Biar orang ini juga ada luan pull down kuat ke makan, tapi tinggal orang mau wajib ni orang tikin stop ini itu isi tu bodoh pun kan, no pendana ke nak. Kemudian you ming pujo dana ini mau gimana parti makan. Pakai orang tikin itu, baru dua main level mitu ngoyan untuk ping.
Apa foi matek tamini ni, apa foi tamini ucara. Modjo awak ya no.
Amori. Be umera chora it foi matek. Angin ucho mabe korbe tiga chwe wakeru gi moy ngom. Bien jimu ken matiga kele wa pero ene government petika mine wa enough support in agriculture. Wa nong chente pedong wat keme ki makai ken. Bien kumere wa gina fora pe man chalo season mukar ene down renyu pod gina fora.
Wa mun ko ngarman ka. Yes, hello One World TV.
Hello.
Yes, watiga locking ake kwe.
Kavi Okello Waltan Council Kago District.
Wall tiene ning.
Waltia be.
Watch what time you mera.
Ati kami penelo niamo. Gamendo mi ya me tuju diang makan food disease. Ena da wati ka wini in gon diang mi da chol dia chela libaboro. Chidong lo ka tinini.
Wa foi matek, mero lokom chamchana. Ingeni diang ya gago ti camp. Donc unity ne local food ne tije be dong duong ba. Jadi shadow ini be shadow means a local government. Wa tu wi yorabo.
Wa be bino ko de. Lokoma gaga wa be bino. Yes, so lokama ka government no miero ingeo kita down tiga ko kerne. Chente I anyogi la pena muranga gini petika bino. We down tiga duoko kiniga ge komwa. Which is understandable. Although it's not right, tije mo ken chao ken down timo karma purwa tiana no. Ka kejo makawo ba tek. Ba charwa baung ting. You ting.
Bejo tiang karmoja.
Tiang karmoja.
Yeng erba.
Yeah. So what is happening down to Chermaka as a last resort?
Yeah.
Kau no ni dian teaching down.
No pick it him.
Kau no when teaching down. Down would not even go. Rock pe actually ba?
Lurok.
Wow. Terne it's not by design. Pe teach what it will. Tika bino may come up yan alternative make mean wa pere. Donc en you know where one tika ketro pressure ni government miero. Kau bi yabu dog val u katagi alternative. Pian ka pe wa tika dio mere down no maka tiro lui. You know where ko merichan ki chako kwanyu monyo ko ki yo. Mano giti again and look my win routine way.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So you dig a D money by car. Kedong baba chelo car. Pen executive order pegi ponyo down my bear. President local commercial not baba chela rio deki. But what you very clear and law implementation keri baba chel koi car mo well, the thing went into a mess.
Well, loka duong eni wang o abi nero ni ka honorable kan ichabir matika biam o nyoy benetung chabir I am going to have a conversation with him but no ka gwago mi achawa wa beru kan and ki honorable Court Jonamos pi jomate wall no bu beru ki kare mi lok wede honorable amete ami mere chawa e dongi mo metamne pere tek ma gwaga wero ento a donc block a chelo wen ma po lo ye chewni ti marach ameti pa bal chewni tutwan
okay tongi chana na no do
ci dien mana mer peñne ki ti meto niang lok me restocking ki tung botu o wor kining e tame jomo no kero ke diangi go tiu kwede yo makining o nyobe ne tamani eni yo achil ma da kitika dwa ko diang chen acholi o nyoe chen dano wol gitika kokcha diang ti kem wa yat ma mir ki cheta tuji ki kwede kitika wayne ko mir ka chul chene restocking ki borri in a greater picture
pero ma wa bero kwede enani gamete ngeyo gen ma be ma mir ki tim eto keta ngan mon wayne wa ko tim gen na be ni ti adwoki ne pe kelo chopo mir mano tie ada chule mir restocking ento eneno pa anu kelu ngure wacho gera wachon oti restocking kani chen ne gi chwale chim chalo chen momo
nyom da ko chot
kon bi chamo 70% of chen en restocking mere 70% of chen mere restocking bi cher to mi kon ki other needs other than liang ma pa ngeyo kar ma gamento kar ki plan ni ma plan na beba ni ki tim restocking Kago beru keep monitoring plan money. How are we going to monitor ni part?
Will
ada. Nothing. La chan ma pe ki kermo in the team million a bit. Part ki me pidi million a chele ba. This time the million a bit you don't chime. Wa part ini kumichane. Ka million a bit you don't chimi. Baby ngolu guri ka char ka cham molu ko ni 7th Street kan.
No, any term bo. Teka no million a bit tap and wa gulu kumbe. Ponyo ringi cha.
Exactly.
No teacher tie.
Teacher tie yo. Chena ka do ni jibani kili plan ma po ta. So gamete no miero instead of that kongu pen tambene bot one jomo kene. I would have advised gamete one tiu ki gen ma lo ni seat voucher. Seat fare karcha. In kai qualifying ci peki mi ma kum chenta ki mi vocha namba
chere gamo gi mo
chere gamo ma kum diang
yeah
ka do raj ki kwany olo ki making sure ne out of the 5 million 3 million kong obed kum diang the other 2 million do ko ni lo kum yat lo kum tol ki gwo yupo duol ma bena no ka twere ana ber ka waj gi dano ne ka no community ma ya duola mago wilu diang magi tigi ngom gi mer dwa ko let amini gi waya wek achulu dwa ko let gi niyo kari mega ti diana dek akwaru diko o cha bichel no arangeni cha bor bi cherro kango kaneno ye chata moy chuk pa dok binu pien waribu dienyo ba pa dok paru cha boro pien ana charo chuge pa cheri poro udiko pat furo kacha bete ne watimo wa gwenyu position slowly by slowly diao be nyual ana ter nyik die choka para rio ken kita die na nyual kere you let I believe actually mo ken chalo ane bene ka waribu duol diang dugu chen.
Hello.
So, okay.
Hello, One World TV. My name is Sandra. I'm watching you guys live from Agago district. On the same question, we have had problems with animals being put in camps, and medication has also become complicated. Like my brother from Wall has called and said, we are being asked 8,000 shillings to go and vaccinate the cows. We wanted to know from the Honorable, looking at the challenges that we are facing right now in taking care of our stock, how is the government going to support us?
One very committee meeting, my agriculture, chabiat mo karo. Loki en mediang ubino. Government, ma loki bo ubino way flow parliament. Minister, my state, my agriculture, nyapa salim sali. Umio la gamme pian minister of agriculture no tio wako frank tumbaze.
Yeah.
Eno mio la gamme. Pian wabero kwe gi committee ma wakiro loko wache wan machalo committee on national agriculture wanoni chilling aliba borni ka anatigi dia pa no na tora tek.
Apa times boro is 80,000.
80,000. No na tek bora. Anyugi committee cham kitiga mi poko na poka kidano. How do you expect me to get 80,000? Me tutu diang. Donc the only option could be me da ka chat diang chelo.
When you're listening the stock.
You are listening the stock. So discussion en wabiru kere wachao no loki bolu what ma aki Western Uganda. Why both given they have the same. Lulonya mu kene tie maka wa gwe diang. Tware me mobile money. Ali mi a bit no million rio gwe diang. Eno tie lu chan mu kene be kini kuno magitika safalen ki lokali babor. Ti don wa luo minister. Minister wa en jone ada gen be no pa ko enitie. Ali baboro loketa. Bot jo mo kene. Bot jo kene yot. Bot MPs yot. Etro bot la kin gang tek. Don't get him ngong. Gen do wacha wane stock me yat ma chiel. Magi cher ki wilo ki kelo. Painfully, let me say this. Magi kelo stock me vaccine ma chiel. Ki kelo yat ni wako kondang. Kar magi wilo yate. Plan no pay me storing. Ye vaccine me restoring. Yan expiring way. Ubala.
That is public waste.
Public waste. Chi penye ke kene joma ministry no kitamo ngo. Now you have to know your better konyo kinena. The plan was ne kaki kelo yare what the konyo dano. Tam no tiene gamera mero luongo jomoni natural ki Turkey. I think Turkey, one of these European countries. We are going to check you for vaccine ki Uganda. We are well duping. So as we are now, we take a battling ki minister of agriculture. We are going to yat. Gula dano. Pian quarantine tie. Kita mete kape dia without tumo. Chi wa restocking chen mo tia bale weng no is going to waste.
Well, those are the challenges metika munyetika akbot horrible Patrick Ongore. Gin matima data wajine most of the time ke munyele mono wajine you can never have a one fit suit for everyone. My size is probably not what you're going to put on. And your size is not what I'm going to put on. So there are variants ikitma jimi beru kwere on your kitma jimi time kwere. Time is against us. Honorable has to go to Parliament. Honorable lokimi agite KBI shoni. Ami daka rio no one no chero kamato chai manano.
Afo metek. Ana fo jomo ber kedwa yamo kitma paro wajo kwere. Ana tia gonya obene no program mo we kwa nen kitma oberu ka kupe kedwa yamo. Pien lok mo wunu mi na ni under the local government minister. Shadow. Pi Uganda ko kulo. Ento office ma mera na kimi achia na mo mano knock. Pege mia wa escort, pege mia wa motaka me wot ka wen. Yo mo ramo kupe kedu, we ko mi ne wa lok. Kita balam ge woro wa system one port where. One position port where. Ento pen lok one ramo no na ki boto, we ko kon yo po beru. Pian ga mete mar balo beru. Wana mi wa yo wa ga mete. So nyomon yang beru ka men no.
Wa nye.
Nye wa chok ge. En oversight eno. Si ana lego ni ubet kedwa, wa mede won ki kupe ki dong wara churi parliamentary group wabi bienu botu watika goy work plan wa no premier ana ya waje ento watiki ripe mabe ma wabi bienu wa nena wa pero ma wunti ka lok ye lokom diang mati kame bien wa winyo en wa no papata tie jomo ken la wogu bero e zoka ya pa ya watika wot kama sport loka balalo ki jimu ken mo do ngeche don wabi tije cha la chule parliamentary group wek duan wa bed malong eno we kirwe gang lega la we chir chao chi jo ke non gam wa pare be gamo chi don lega do met chi wan lego ni wunu bet ma chunu tere actually parliamentary group obiti ka chel obi kupo kedwo menero ne uno alora ku program pagamento ma bienu botu bena ubed ma loko ku corruption ene kama wanu be kero yelwenwa ki pala ma bit mo be paro ka in purti la yen erone way lero olango
ngech
we non ko dano ko bu biu giri ko pa dano dugi joma bejo ma pagiti corrupt dim pa luak bet bor luak dim pa kay chelo mi bot kay chelo
well mo foi mateka mero honorable Patrick Okello Ongore mi achwa aswa
dong tiyu ni aswa
Aswa
berachwa
county ma ero bino kan ka boko lok awajini lok pero matum kama bino in ero lok ma diu dana ma chengwi there are so many issues that we need to digest ero gina pira ta yani time offered is always the best ono karne mi bero kwedwa we are going to release him michiaro and to kawa du kan wadu chenda wano ringi to wrap up the show wabi bero ki time look at one or two critical issues matika bini kumalami Uganda and then afterwards wachiaro wagamu chim mamegi chima inibi goini wabi mete kemi ine bot honorable we eno kuriko angikan wanen kemati kwede I will have a short discussion with him in the next few minutes chi waneno ket mo mete kwede konkumeno oye we akwachinen breakfast mamegwa wachini sponsors of the show Chapa General Enterprises Gikmatin and Part Robert Larubi
for MTech